How to change the eBay username. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you the simple steps in order to do so. So for that, you can head over and open up the eBay application on your device. And once you are there, you can basically log in and locate up the option called My eBay on your screen. After you find it up, you will be taken to your profile right here. So if you'd like to change your username on your eBay, you can head over and find your profile and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding your profile here, your about and feedback and everything. So if you'd like to edit your profile, look out for edit profile option and tap on it. And when you tap on edit profile here, you will be finding your username and different other options. So if you'd like to change your username, go ahead and tap on change username option. And then once you tap on change username, we have the section right here. You may just go ahead and cross out the previous username. After that, just go ahead and type in the new username that you would like to prefer. And then in order to make up the changes, you need to go ahead and enter up the password that you used in order to create your account previously. After that, just go ahead and enter up your password and tap on sign in option. And when you do, you will be finding your username being changed on eBay very easily. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to change your username on eBay, you may head over and follow up these simple steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.